Meet the MiSTAR 555, compact, robust, and perfect for any workshop. The MiSTAR 555 saves space without sacrificing accuracy or precision, ideal for both small and large workshops. Built to last, the MiSTAR 555 handles tough conditions and ensures reliable performance with its industry-leading temperature compensation function. Experience unparalleled precision with high-resolution sensors and advanced software. The MiSTAR 555 adjusts to fluctuating environments, maintaining accuracy and quality. The CNC CMM also uses ordinary 120-volt electrical outlets and doesn't require any compressed air to operate. Easy to use with intuitive controls, perfect for all skill levels. The MiSTAR 555 is your go-to for efficiency and reliability in machining. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.